Hey Dodos, welcome back! Our adventure continues and we are where, Gigi?
We're at the largest beer festival in Romania.
Yay! You know what that means? We have to drink beer, we have to eat food, and we have to try to not get wasted. And let our adventure begin through this wonderful and amazing big tent and stag, and Gigi not impressed by the stag who is trying to talk to us. Move. Okay, let's go have some food and then let's get ready to drink. So Gigi, what would you like to eat?
Anything at this point. We have a lot of options here, but mostly meat based.
Yes, there's a lot of meat, a lot of sausages, a lot of ostrich even. So we have a lot of options to choose. But I would say we'd rather go for the big knuckle. What do you think?
Oh my. You can go for it. I'm gonna pick something even lighter.
Something lighter?
Because I have a lot of beer to drink, right?
Okay, good. Then I'm going for the big knuckle. Goody. I cannot wait to try.
Yeah, Brasov,
Potato. Oi, the atmosphere is crazy around here. There's a lot of people. They're wandering around, they're eating, they're drinking, and there's even a freaking yodeling guy yodeling around here. There's a big amusement park behind the tents where there are a lot of interesting rides who the kids are having fun with. I don't know, maybe we're gonna check some of them out later, who knows. But what is interesting for me is the fact that now we've been here, me and Gigi, we've been here last time I think 3 years ago before we left on our journey, and in the meantime there was a global pandemic, and even though there was a pandemic, there are still a lot of people here and they are having fun. They waited a long time for having some place to go in the open and drink beer and relax and have fun, and they're enjoying it to the fullest. In the past there were 2 tents, now as you can see there is only 1 tent, but that didn't stop the people to come and to have fun and to enjoy the perfect Saturday evening in this wonderful festival area. So without further ado, I think it's time, after we ate something, it's time to go inside and grab some beers and enjoy the beer festival, because it's actually a beer festival. So you should drink beer at the beer festival. If you don't drink beer at the beer festival, it doesn't make any sense. Let's go and drink some beer. This has been an amazing Oktoberfest experience, right, Gigi?
Yeah, it was as usual.
Yeah,
amazing as usual.
Yes, a lot of beer, a lot of drinking, a lot of eating, and a lot of having fun. And what can I say? See you next year Oktoberfest. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.